This one's Insidious. They say this one is the scariest one or the worst one, so we'll see. Insidious, and they said, I haven't seen the movie, but it said it was scary. Look at the shadows on top. This is Insidious. We're going inside of this. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's smoking. Oh, I thought that guy was... I've never seen Insidious, so I don't know what it's referring to. I think they're offering... It looks like they're offering up a kid. Oh my god! Oh, that's... I almost passed out there.
These things are making this.
I'm gonna catch these girls getting scared the whole time.
La la la, la la la.
Oh, which one's real? Which one's real? Which one's fake?
He's got your baby.
Which one's real? Which one's fake? I don't know. Oh, that was... Oh, I can't... Oh, no! Oh, what is... Oh, it's babies. Sometimes you just can't tell. Oh! Oh, the kid's sick.
Or something's getting closer to me.
The kid is sick over
I
here.
feel like I'm getting closer to something.
Why is he hairy? He's like really hairy down there. He's hairy.
I feel like I'm getting closer to something. Or something's getting closer to me.
Oh my gosh. These are pants and shirts. I guess we're like in the... where are we at? Oh, okay. There's like writings on the wall. Something's gonna pop out somewhere. Like right here.
He's coming back for you. He's coming back
This
for
is
you.
scary.
He's coming back for you. He's coming back for you. He's coming back for you.
Oh! No. Oh, it's wet. It's wet. It's wet over here. Really?
Yeah, the last little room.
It was the curtains were wet. Oh! That was directly at me. Oh, look at the babies. Oh, dolls. I feel like behind all these curtains, they could jump out at any time.
He's coming. He's coming.
Oh, there's hairs. There's hairs. Oh, I feel like I need to catch up to these girls because I feel less scared because they're more scared.
Can't be in here. If she sees you, she'll make me kill you.
Missed it. Oh, there's hairs. Oh, I think we're done. There's an elevator up there. Oh, these were in a Japanese room. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was a scary one. Oh, that scared me. What is this? Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Yeah, that one's so cool.
Help me!
Oh! Oh! That's a lady. Oh, every turn! Every turn! Every turn. It's like every turn. Oh, that's every turn. Oh, that one was scary. I got scared many times on that one. Sorry if the mic exploded in the sound. And oh, we gotta wait for them. That one was scary. I like that one. Insidious. Are you serious? Insidious. They're coming along. That was a really good one. Kind of scared. What did you guys think?
That was good.